To check the sleep score on your Apple Watch, you must turn on Track Sleep with Apple Watch from the Watch app on your iPhone. Otherwise, you'll see the message, "Sleep is not enabled on this watch" inside the Sleep app on your Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to the My Watch tab, scroll to the Sleep option, and tap on Use this watch for sleep. Now your Apple Watch will show your sleep score and send notifications for good or poor sleep based on what you set in the sleep score notifications under the Watch app on your iPhone. If you don't want to track sleep with your Apple Watch, simply keep this toggle turned off. That way, you don't need to wear your Apple Watch to measure your sleep score. Your iPhone will take care of everything. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more new free tech guide video updates.